we realized that there's a problem in the eye care industry in that about more than half a billion people in Africa have issues with their eyes, but only 1% of those people have glasses. So 550 million people in Africa have refractive errors, but about 1% of them have glasses. And why is this? So the reason why there is that big number of people who do not have access to eye care or do not have glasses to correct their vision issues is because, first of all, affordability. Glasses, for example, in Kenya, prescription glasses range between 15,000 to about 20,000. And not everyone is in a position to afford that. And so another reason is in terms of convenience. Where can they access these eye care services? And the other problem is in terms of knowledge. Like, not very many people know where they can access these services.